Hey guys, let's make some chicken pot pie soup. If you like my video, please subscribe, hit a thumbs up, leave a comment. I really appreciate it. Let's get started. I'm gonna do a one pot chicken pot pie soup. I'm gonna get my pot started on medium heat. So I'm gonna start out with 6 tablespoons of butter. I don't like to start a cold pan on high. That's when warping can happen, cracks. So I start my pan on a medium and then I turn it up as needed. I'm gonna saute together 1 medium onion chopped. Get all that goodness. 2 carrots, 2 stalks of celery chopped. Couple of good turns of salt. Couple of good turns of pepper. I'm going to saute these until they start getting soft. I'm not so much worried about the carrots getting soft because I am going to simmer this with potatoes and they'll be soft by the time I'm done. So I want to get some color on these. I'm also going to add 1 teaspoon of thyme. When you add that thyme, it immediately smells like chicken pot pie. Now that my onions are starting to get soft, I'm going to add 3 cloves of garlic that I've sliced pretty thin. You can chop it, mince it, whatever you want here. Now that I've given my vegetables a good head start, I'm going to add a 1/3 cup of flour. This is going to help thicken the soup. Now I want to cook the flour a little bit, so I'm going to give this another minute or so. I'm going to use 6 cups of chicken stock. So that's 6 cups of chicken stock. Now I'm going to add 1 large potato that I've diced up. It's about a pound potato. And I'm going to bring this up to a simmer. Now this has come up to a simmer. I'm going to let it simmer for about 10-12 minutes until my potatoes and carrots are done. So I've let the soup simmer like this for about 15 minutes. And you can see my potatoes and carrots are nice and done. They're just easily pierced with a fork. Carrots still got a little bite. Potatoes are looking good. So let's finish this off. I'm gonna add about 5 cups, or this is basically a rotisserie chicken that's been shredded. It's most of the white meat. It was a pretty good sized chicken. I'm gonna add 1 cup of frozen peas. And I'm going to finish this off with a 1/2 cup of heavy cream. You don't have to do the heavy cream. You can do a little milk, maybe a little cornstarch. This is a nice thickener and it gives an amazing mouthfeel. Just adds that extra lushness to the soup. So I'm going to give that a good mix. And I'm going to bring it back up to a simmer so those peas can warm up. And we'll be ready to go in just a few minutes. Okay, this is ready to go. Look at that. Chicken pot pie soup. It's just good. Onions, carrots, peas, potatoes, celery, a little bit of garlic. What's not to love? Good stuff. Nice rich broth. Perfect soup for these cool fall days coming up. Of course, it's 95 degrees in Texas today. Good stuff. Hope you enjoy.